Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning platform, which is acting like a bridge between the success stories and the dreams of many students like you. If you remember, when we're talking about GATE 2021, we will be talking about a different concept, different methodology, different things, everything has gone. Now that GATE 2021 is over, now a new journey has to be started towards this GATE 2022. Those who are studying second year, third year, final year, and those students who were unable to write the GATE 2021 very well, this journey towards GATE 2022 will definitely help you a lot. See, if you look at the picture, why I kept this is even we have not yet entered on the road. I have just kept this picture to tell you that there is a long way to go. With a lot of positive energy and intention, I have put like this. Yes, I did not say goal GATE 2022. GATE 2022 is not a goal, it's a journey. Journey will generally never end. The goals may end. In your life journey, GATE is just a milestone. Don't think that GATE is your entire life. There are many people who haven't cleared the GATE but very successful in their life. But for you, those who are listening to me, I know you are here just because you want to crack the GATE 2022. Yes, you are at the right point, at the right time, and listening to this class. Okay, so now we will start discussing about what to do about GATE 2022. Okay, now. So myself, Shravan Kumar, I have a master's degree from JNTH in VLC System Design. I have 10 plus years of experience, and then I have subjects. I can take a subject like EDC, analog electronics, digital electronics, and EMFT. And I have a special code for you guys, that is SVS10, to get 10% discount on Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay. Yeah, what do you mean by plus subscription is you can attend all the live classes, you can attend all the crash courses, you can attend a weekly test, you will be having doubt solving sessions. The sessions will be in English and Hindi, and you will be having something called rank improvement batch. These are the benefits of plus subscription. Along with that, the extra benefits for iconic subscription is going to be you'll be having a personal coach, you'll be given a study planner, you'll be having a study booster sessions, and a personal test analysis will be there, and a preparatory study material will be given to all of you. Okay. And a plus subscription for 12 months it's going to be 27,225 rupees. For 18 months it is going to be 34,000. For 24 months it's going to be 39,000. And for 12 months you'll be having 45,000. And 24 months 66,600. And we have a special course which will be started to target GATE 2023 also. So this will start on 15th. This will start on 15th of February. This is the English batch. You can use the code SVS10. You can use the code SVS10 to get 10% discount on it. And then this is for ECE students. So again, you will be having SVS10 is a code. And from 15th of February, this is going to start. This is called a Verve. Verve, we call it as a Verve. And you will be having something called Spark, which will be starting on 2022. Right? Targeting GATE 2022. So this also starts on 15th of February. You can use the code SVS10. You can use the code SVS10 to get 10% discount on it. Okay. And this is for ECE students. So again, you can use the code SVS10 to get 10% discount on it. This is especially for EST, that is Engineering Service Examination. A new batch is started. Will be starting on 18th of February. This is for general studies, right? For that also, to get 10% discount, you can use SVS10 as a code. Okay. Now, here comes the original story, right? Let's start discussing about our favorite subject now. So, if those who are listening, just say hi, please. Just say hi so that I can feel that somebody is very interestingly listening to this, so that it will give me more energy, so that it will become more interactive than one-sided. Just say hi, hi, hello, good evening, whatever you want to say. Okay, no issues. If you are a silent listener, that's a great thing. Okay, now the more important thing is the question. Let's say there are three types of people who will be listening to this class. Somebody, you know why I have drawn these three E's. What is these three ways indicates? The student is somebody. The question is GATE 2022. There are three types of the students. There are three types of the students generally. You know who are they? One is somebody who is going to college regularly, maybe college going student, right? Somebody who might be in second year, third year, final year, right? The second type of the student is going to be somebody who finished their graduation but still wants to appear for GATE, right? And somebody, the third case is going to be somebody who is already finished the graduation, joined in some company, working as some engineer or some student or something, and wants but still wants to crack the GATE. There are three types of students, right? My target is here, three types of students. One is somebody who is going to college regularly here. I mean to say somebody going to a student who is already going to the college. Somebody who left the college, who graduated and just looking for a GATE examination. The third guy is somebody who is doing some job and wants to appear for GATE So these are the three kinds of the students who will generally listen to the class, right? End of the day, all of them are important for me. End of the day, all of them are important for me, right? All the three types of students I should address. Definitely, I should address all of them, right? Okay. Now we'll see. First and foremost thing is you should know the syllabus, sir. So this is common for all the branches. It is common for all the branches. I'm telling you, it is maybe civil, you may be mechanical, you may be electrical, you may be computer science, you may be information, IT, whatever, civil, chemical engineering, whatever. So the first, most important thing is the students will have confusion. Without knowing the syllabus, they'll start their journey. First and foremost thing, what you need to do is, sir, understand the syllabus. You should know what to study and what not to study. Many students simply they'll take up some textbook, they keep start reading and reading and reading and reading. That is wrong, sir. First of all, you should know what is the syllabus, what points need to be covered. Go see the syllabus of GATE 2022, which is most important. Without knowing the syllabus, without knowing the syllabus, you will start preparing. And one more thing important here, for which subject, how much weightage is coming. You should do this analysis. Even after looking at the syllabus, your job is to do some analysis. Doing analysis is very important. I mean to say, which subject has which weightage. Let's consider in a GATE examination, what you know, sir, you'll be having actually a general aptitude, which you know already, and you'll be having engineering mathematics, and then your core subjects. So this general aptitude is generally will be giving 15 marks. This is sometimes 13 to 15 marks you'll get, and this is going to be from 75 to from 78 marks you will get from the core. I'm not going to marks. I'm not talking about the questions. The total questions is going to be 65 only. You'll be having only 65 questions, but you will be having this much marks, 15 marks, 13 to, this is not EM, this is engineering mathematics. Engineering mathematics. So first of all, understand the syllabus of each subject. From today, sir, spend lot of time on understanding the syllabus first. If you know what to study properly, then let's say you're in a second year or third year or final year. You know what are the prerequisite sites subjects for other subjects. Let's say, example, I'm telling you, the subject which is there in the fourth year or third year may be important, but without having the knowledge of second year subjects, you can't. Let's say you have some subject whose basics are in some. Let's talk about. Let's say you are from electrical engineering or electronics engineering, ECE. I'm talking about. Let's say you want to study analog electronics. Sir, if you want to start analog electronics, you should know the basics of networks. Without knowing the basics of networks, Thevenin's equivalent, Thevenin theorem, KCL, KVL, without knowing these concepts, you can't study directly analog electronics. Okay, so first understand what is the interlink between the subjects also. Nowadays, the questions, if you see 2021 question paper, he integrated both networks and analog electronics. So, first of all, understand the syllabus properly. That because many students do the same problem here. Unnecessarily, they will read, they'll start with some other subject and they'll fail to understand the subject and they'll demotivate themselves. The first step itself, they'll do the wrong things. So what is important is, first of all, the thumb line rule is understand the syllabus. If you don't understand the syllabus, don't start preparation. Don't start preparation. So first step is always start your preparation with the understanding the syllabus, right? So as I told you, general aptitude is 15%. Let's say you are in the final year or third year. So this is most important for you. Why I'm saying here is this general aptitude will also help you to fetch a job in a normal job apart from the gate. So focus on this general aptitude, right? Because you'll be having two advantages, right? Either you can attend your regular engineering placements, or this will also help you in gate preparation, right? So this start with this subject better way. I mean to say, dedicate some few hours regularly from today toward this general aptitude. Okay, then next comes engineering mathematics. This is also common. These are the common subjects for all the branches. These are the common subjects: engineering mathematics and general aptitude. So understand what is the engineering mathematics subjects. Most of 90% of the students who are writing the gate must have already studied engineering mathematics very clearly in your engineering. Mathematics 1, mathematics 2, mathematics 3. So he will not cross all those subjects, right? So it is in the purview of your engineering subjects itself. No extra engineering mathematics will be handled. So first of all, now in general aptitude, after that you will understand what is engineering mathematics. Then come to core subject. What is the core subject? So generally what happens is, what are subjects you are studying in second year? I mean to say, at second sem, third sem, fourth sem. These three subjects are your fundamental subjects. You need to be very much strong in fundamentals. If you are strong in fundamentals, 90% of your preparation is done, sir. So fundamentals subjects, those subjects which you have in your second sem, third sem, and fourth sem. right? So understand all of them very clearly. So you after taking the syllabus of GATE 2022, demarcate which subject of your the second sem, which subject of the third sem, which subject of fourth sem or fifth sem are falling into which subject. Sir, you might have studied 40 subjects in your engineering, core subjects. All the subjects are not important in GATE. When you are studying, that subject might be important, but that may not be important in GATE subject, GATE. So you should know the syllabus. That is the reason why. In the core also, you map them. You map them. What is second year subject? What is third subject? What is the fourth year subject? Map that to the syllabus of GATE 2022. GATE 2022. This is very important, sir. Okay, because if you start your journey in a proper way, then only you'll go to the right destination. Otherwise, you'll go to some other destination, and end up they will feel regret. I have done a mistake. I would have done something different. So first thing is that. So focus on that. More focus should be on syllabus. Understand each and every topic of the syllabus. Underline. Take a printout of the syllabus. Don't see in a laptop or a system, sir. Take a printout of the syllabus. Mark each and every concept of the syllabus and map it towards the subjects which you are doing, which you are studying in your engineering, right? That is important. Understanding syllabus is important, right? So after that, what is there here? Once you understand the syllabus, next comes the planning. Take as much time as possible for you and plan accordingly. There should be a perfect plan. It may take 5 days for you. It may take 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days. So don't worry. You have 1 year of time. If your planning is perfect, you will reach the goal very easily. So start planning. So what you have done, sir? You have studied perfectly. You understood what is the syllabus. You mean what is your goal? You have understood. Now to start the journey, you should decide how, in what way you want to go. So for that, planning is very important. If your planning is perfect, 90% of your journey is finished. 90% of journey is finished. So plan accordingly. So what do you mean by planning? What do you mean by planning? Right? Now I'll tell you. Now I'll tell you now. So what do you mean by planning, sir? So there, as I told you, there are three types of the students. There are three types of students. What are they, sir? Who are students actually? And then these students are again of college going, passed out students. And second is job holders. Somebody who join, who is doing some job, right? The students of college going and pass out students. So the problem with the students of college going is at least in an year from November to December, generally what happens is they will be having some exams. And in the month of May also they will be having their semester exams. So at least 3 months time will go just with examinations. Minimum of 3 months of time will go with examinations. But there is an advantage for this pass out student. What is that is he can spend completely on planning. So he can execute whatever his plans are there. But the disadvantage with the college going student. What is that, sir? Because you don't know when the exams will be. But still, what he can do is he can plan according to his own. How many months of time is there? Where to start? How to start? Don't worry. I'll in the coming slides I'll tell you how to plan also. How to plan also, right? So second thing is planning is important. Second thing is planning is important. If your plan is perfect, if your plan is perfect, you are ready to take off. This is going to be take off, right? You are ready to take off. So why I'm saying this is take off, right? Once you are ready with your plan and the goal, I mean to say where to reach, you know where to reach now, and then you know how to reach. Then here comes the starting point. It means you're ready to take off. You're ready to take off, right? So now this, remember this what is there on the screen, something called lecture. Remember these words, these 7 words. This is 7 point journey. This is a 7 point journey which I'm suggesting. What is that, sir? Learn, exercise, coach, test, unlearn, revise, and write the gate exam. These are the 7 points which you guys should focus on, right? So we understood the syllabus, we have planned accordingly, and then now start learning. Start learning. The journey starts right now, right? So the first step is learn. So, sir, while you are learning, don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Calmly, happily start learning. And here comes the problem of from where to learn. From where to learn, right? My best suggestion is take one book at least, a standard book, 1 or 2 books for each subject. Don't read more than 2 books for each subject. Take only 2 subject, two books for each subject. And nowadays, lot of data is easily available on the internet. Even you can see lot of lectures are available on Unacademy platform, YouTube also. Even on Unacademy uh, app also, there is a lot of free content available. Free content available. Choose your own mentors. Connect with 1 faculty or 2 faculty for each subject. I mean to say, select your faculty member. Let's say EDC, I'm handling EDC and analog electronics. You can follow me EDC and analog electronics completely. Right? Start learning by lecture by lecture. Lecture by lecture. So as I told you, start first. You should decide what subjects you need to learn. The fundamental subject, consider the fundamental subject, and there will be some independent subjects will also be there, which doesn't require any prerequisites. Right? Let's consider there digital electronics is there. For the digital electronics, starting point is 0. You don't need any concepts. Digital electronics is an independent subject. You can start anywhere, anytime. Okay, so start with subject like that. Let's say analog electronics. Analog electronics requires what's a basic subject of network theory. So start with network theory, search on internet, see who are the best faculty for network theory, then follow them. So if you register for a plus course, that will be still great. You don't have any problem, because a plus subscription student or iconic subscription student of Unacademy will be guided by the faculty itself. You'll get a direct guide. Let's say you're not part of this plus subscription or any other subscription. You're listening to only free content available on the internet, but still, it, choose wisely whom to follow. Choose wisely whom to follow. So consider 1 or 2 faculty members only for each subject, and take 1 or 2 textbooks. I think even NPTEL videos will also help you a lot if you are following, right? So that, right now you have choose the faculty, and then start listening to the classes, read the classes notes read the textbooks regularly, and try to solve the solved problems in the textbook first. Try to solve the textbook problems first. If you are able to solve the textbook problems first, then 70 to 80% of your job is done. Then next, what happens, sir? Just jump towards the previous year questions of GATE. I'm telling you, GATE only, not ESE, not something. When your focus is GATE, focus should be on GATE itself. The focus for ESE is different. Engineering Service Examination is different. Right? The IES is different. So don't focus on that. Just focus on the previous year questions of GATE. Do for last 20 years. And you will analyze. Let's say last from 4 to 5 years, in each subject, where are the focus points? If you look at your EDC into 2021 EDC paper and analog electronics paper, there was no question from BJT. The complete shift happened towards MOSFET. It did not ask any question from BJT. So you should know what to learn also. So while you are planning, analyzing the subject also, you should consider this. So start planning, start learning now. So I have told you how to learn also, right? Choose the faculty, start. And one more important thing is, while you are studying, start writing notes. I would call them as a short notes. I will call them as a short notes, right? So next, prepare your own timetable. Every day, how many hours you have to study? Even if you are going to a college, at least a minimum of 2 to 3 hours you should dedicate for this GATE examination. If you are able to find, if you are able to take out 2 to 3 hours every day GATE examination, you are bound to get very good score in the GATE. You need not worry at all. Right? So take up the time, prepare the timetable. Sir, I'm not here to suggest you some timetable, because there are students who will read in the night, there are students who will read in the morning. So I don't want to say, so read from 4 to 6 p.m. or 2 to 6 p.m. or read in the midnight. So it's up to you. You are the good master. You know where you can play very well. Right? Who am I to suggest Sehwag to play, whether he has to be in the first down or second down or third down? Sehwag knows everything, right? So similarly, you know what you are, where you will study very well. So that is what you have to do, sir. Prepare a best timetable for you, month by month. I'll tell you how to divide also. At the end, I'll try to come back to this time, especially this timetable part. I'll come back again. Okay. Don't worry. I'll definitely come back again to this portion. Okay. Now, here comes the exercise. So what I mean by exercise is, so in the video, if you see that he is carrying a lot of books. It doesn't mean that you have to do the exercise with those books. I mean to say, you what so far you have studied, right? So now you start keeping, you start uh, solving the exercise problems of that subject. That is very important. You have learned the concept now. You have got enter the subject and start exercising all those things what you have learned. Sir, don't be in a hurry. For the first time, if you are doing 10 problems, you got all the 10 problems wrong. No issue at all. Yeah, you have a lot of time. Everybody has started learning after many fallbacks only. Even you started walking after falling many times. Yes or no? So why are you so worried then? So keep exercising them. So start uh, exercise all the exercise problems. You do it. Go back to previous year questions. Start all exercise, all those things. Right? You may get 50% answers. Everything will happen. So in the entire process, what happens? You'll be coaching yourself. So don't depend on somebody else to coach you. Maybe Shravan sir will come and tell me how to do this. No. You are the most important coach is look in the mirror. You are the best coach for yourself. You are the best coach for yourself. Nobody in the world is the best coach for you. You feel that somebody else will change your life. No. It's you who will change your life. So coach your brain, coach your heart that you are the best. Plan accordingly. Coach yourself. Every day you need to coach yourself. Nobody will coach you. Any outsider is always an outsider. So remember this point. Remember this point. Okay, coach yourself every day. Coach yourself every day. So the first three steps are learning, exercising, coaching are very good. Right? After that, it comes very importantly, test yourself now. So what do you mean by testing yourself? How much strength do you have? How much strength you have? This is very important. So how to test this? How to test this? So either you can join in any test series by any prominent, like Unacademy, you have any other thing you have. So start testing yourself, right? So my best suggestion would be at least those who are self-studying. For those who are self-studying, so at least join in any one of the test series by any prominent academies like Unacademy or anything. We're also providing very good test series. So start testing yourself. Spend good amount of time on your preparation. Now here comes the testing. So start testing yourself. Start testing yourself. Right? Keep writing the tests. Weekly test, daily test, mock test, vary. So this test should become taste for you. Then only what happens, you will know how much strength you have. That is the reason why. That is the reason why. If you see if you have studied very well, if you are not testing yourself, what happens? Nothing will you don't know anything. So if you want to know where you are, you have to test yourself so that how much strength you will have. To know your strength and weaknesses, to know about your strengths and weaknesses, you should test yourself. Don't see many students I have seen many students are afraid of writing the test exams. They're very good, but the problem is, as they're afraid of writing exams, they'll never write test series. They have a feeling that they may get less marks in the test series. Sir, yes, you are bound to fall down. You'll fall many times. If you fall, that's good actually. You'll stand up again. You'll understand how much your preparation you have done. Sir, without testing yourself, you will not progress in your life. I'm talking about gate examination. Sir, gate examination is not about getting deep into subject. It's all about how much wide you will cover, how much topics you can cover, how much length, how much breadth you are covering. That is your gate examination. Further, regular testing is important. Regular testing is important, very, very important. Okay, so focus on that. Focus on testing yourself every day. I would suggest you to start. I'll come back to the test series part again at the end. The timetable and test series will come to there month by month. I'll talk about month by month. I will talk about, right. So this fourth step is going to be testing yourself. Once you test yourself, now what happens is you will understand what are your weaknesses and what are your strong points. Yes or no? Then only which subjects you are very good at, which subjects you need to improve. That will you will understand only when you test yourself. After testing yourself, after testing yourself, so what happens is now start unlearning. This slide is a very important slide. Start unlearn. What is mean by unlearn is unlearn your mistakes. Unlearn your mistakes, right? So once you test yourself, you will know what are your mistakes. So start unlearning your mistakes. Remove all of them from your brain. This is one of the favorite slides for me, right? So far you have learned many things without knowing which is correct, which is right, which is wrong. You will keep see what happens is student think that everything is correct, but once he writes the exam, then he'll understand, oh, this is not right way to think. Though he has studied very well overnight, and what happens is in the examination, while he's writing the examination, you'll find something wrong in some subject. So list out all of them, write down all the mistakes, write down all the mistakes, and then start unlearning them. Unlearning them. I mean to say, your concept might be wrong while you are studying. Let's say I'm studying some topic today, my mood is not good. My understanding will be only 20% or 30%, but still I'll keep on turning the pages today. Right? So at that point of time, the concepts which are entered into the brain may be something wrong. So once you write the exam, understand where you are wrong. So now remove all of them from your brain. Then start learning again. I would say relearn, unlearn, and relearn now. You started learning, and then now unlearn your mistakes, then relearn. Keep again learning second time, learn second time. While you are learning second time, now what happens is you'll start doing something new, right? Your concept, your fundamentals will become very strong. As I told you, if your fundamentals are very perfect, 90% of GATE examination is done. Most of the students have the problem, the fundamentals. So make your fundamentals very strong. Make your fundamentals very strong. Okay. After that, once you unlearn, and you start relearn, and now more again, here comes revision. Keep revising your concepts very regularly. Revise your concepts very regularly. Continuous revision is required because at least each subject will have 100 formulas, and I think at least we were going to study 10 to 12 subjects. Each subject is having 100 formulas into 10 to 12, almost 1000 formulas you should remember. How will you remember, sir? That will happen only through revision. The students who revise all the concepts at least 5 to 6 times for 1 year's duration, he will revise for 5 to 6 times. The entire revision will happen. And if it comes to formula revision, at least 10 times of formula revision will happen. 10 times of formula revision. Can you imagine? 10 times of formula revision. Okay, so revision plays a major role in the GATE exam. So don't forget to revise all the concepts very quickly. Now, whatever the notes you have, initially I asked you to write short notes like this. If you look at this, these are the short notes which I have written for the subjects which I am teaching actually. You can see here. So each subject you can see how I am writing. So this is the short notes which you need to prepare. Once you prepare your short notes, so this will help you a lot. for your revision. After short notes, you will have another small notes which will be having only formulas of all the subjects. Make only one book which will be having only formulas. So this revision plays a major role, right? Once your revision is perfect, then you can see here the 50 days, the 40 days, the 30 days, the 20 days, and you are about to land in the examination. This slide is landing. This flight is actually a landing flight. So you're about to land in the examination. And you can see that 50, 40, 30, 20, they were like the complete revision parts, right? Before 50 days of the examination, I mean to say, if the examination is in the first week of the February, at least from first week of the December or second week of December, complete revision should start. Revision, 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 and then you will hit the nail, and here comes the exam. And is exam. You will be writing the exam. And we have many videos. I also done many videos on how to write the exam. I think this is not the right time to talk about those things right now, right? So, but this is the writing exam is most important, right? So many times what happens is the students' journey will continue till January. At the mid of January, they'll start dropping themselves from the examination. So don't do that mistake. Don't do that mistake. Don't do that mistake, sir. Okay, you have the best way to learn this. So write the exam very happily. Right? There are a few important things to be covered. Is you guys, those who are preparing for GATE 2022, you need to remember 3 P's. 3 P's. What is that, sir? You should have a patience. Lot of patience is required if you are preparing for GATE examination. Why I'm talking about this patience is, without having patience, sitting for more number of hours for the study is not possible. So have patience. Have patience about your failures also. Many times you will fail to answer the questions. Need not worry. Have a patience. Success is waiting for you if you are patient. So have patience. Have enough patience. And never ever stop practicing. The second P. The second P is practice. Have practice. And then third P, you should keep on practicing the questions. As I told you, GATE is not just about the fundamentals. GATE is all about writing the examination. So for that, you need to keep practicing the questions, keep writing the examinations, subject-wise examinations, 2 subjects-wise, 3 subject-wise, full length test. So for that, you should keep on practicing. And then you should have a perseverance. It's almost like patience actually. The perseverance is it's almost like a patience. These are the 3 P's which we should have. 3 P's are very important. Then if you have 3 pieces, you should also have 4 F's. I spoke about 3 P's. Now I will be talking about 4 F's. 4 F's. What are the 4 F's? So you can see here I have mentioned the 4 F's as the follow the master. Follow the master. Who is the master for you? Who is the master, sir? Follow the master. Follow the master. Who is the master for you? You yourself is a master. Or if you joined in, let's say, some course, a paid course, follow your master. If you're a self-learner, that's the best way to start mastering yourself. Follow the master. Just follow the master. Who is teaching you? Follow the teacher. Follow the master. Right? Face the devil. What is the devil here, sir? What is the devil here? What is the devil here? What is the devil here? Devil is your fear. The fear of failure is the most biggest devil in your life. So when you follow your master, you can happily face the devil. Be confident about your preparation because the master will give you a strong foundation for your subjects. When a master gives you strong foundation for your subjects, you can easily face your devil now. What is the devil, sir? Devil is nothing but fear of failure. Fear of failure. So remove that and fight till the end. Yes, sir, this is very important. Many students will start the journey in the month of February and they'll continue till December. And in the month of December, January, before the GATE examination also, they'll feel that they are not able to write the exam. No, your preparation is very good. Fight till the end, till the last point. Once you decided yourself, so fight till the end. What is the end goal? And till the end you have to fight, sir. Don't give even a 1% of negative thought. Even if you are able to fail the exam, no need to worry. Fight. Who knows what is going to happen? So fight till the end and finish the goal. Finish the goal, sir. Hit it hard. Finish the goal. Follow the master. Face the devil. Fight till the end and finish the goal. These are the 4 F's. I spoke about 3 P's and now 4 F's, and I have something called 5 D's. 5 D's which you should know definitely in your life. Not only for just GATE examination, for anything in your life, you should follow all these 3. Right? The 5 D's is going to be, you should have a determination. First, determine yourself what you want to be. Either you want to crack All India rank 1. Yes, it is possible even for the student who is having 10 backlogs today. If you determine today, have a strong determination. Have a strong determination of reaching your goal. That determination will take you to the destiny. So that determination is very, very important. Second D is dedication. Once you determine yourself for one success, dedicate yourself towards that. Don't allow any bypasses. Complete focus should be on your goal. I mean to say the journey which you want to take off. The endeavor, the beautiful endeavor which you want to go. So dedicate yourself towards that GATE examination 2022. Then have a discipline. The third D is discipline. You should discipline will make definitely a different personality together. You should be disciplined. Have a time punctuality. Have every day decide at what time you have to wake up, at what time you have to eat, at what time you have to do. That discipline is very, very important for the success of GATE. Okay, determination, dedication, discipline, discrimination. Next is discrimination. So what do you mean by discrimination? Discriminate what you have to study, what is not you have to study, and then where you have to focus. Sir, you have determined very well, you want to achieve All India rank 1, you have discipline, you have dedication, but unfortunately you are not studying what you are supposed to study for GATE. You are studying for engineering science examination and you want to get the rank in GATE. Not possible. Discriminate what to study and what not to study. What is important? Is Facebook important? Is WhatsApp important? What is important for you? So have a discrimination power. Improve the discrimination power. That is the fourth D, which is very important in life. And the fifth one is devotion. Devotion towards your goal. Be a devotee of your goal. Love it every day. If possible, write your goal and paste it in your personal room and see it every day. So have devotion towards that. Have a devotion towards that. Okay. Then, so now I will come back to this. So generally, as I told you, so there are three types of the students. Three types of the students. Just give me. So this student is going to be the student, the job holder, right? So a student, college going student, passed out student, and then a job holder. For anybody, what I'm saying, for anybody, at least from now, you should spend 4 hours a day. 4 hours minimum a day. 4 hours a day is very important. 4 hours a day is very important. Whether you are doing a job, whether you are doing a college going student or a pass out student, right? Almost 2000 plus hours is required. At least you should spend 4 hours a day. 300 days means 1200 to 1500 hours is required, irrespective of the student, whether you're a student or a job holder. 1500 hours. You plan accordingly. So this is the December, February. Let's say for next 15 days, you will be concentrating on our syllabus and planning. Plan from March 1st. March, April, May, June, July. Till July. How many months, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months. 5 months is more than sufficient to get fundamentals. Till July, read it very clearly. Concentrate every day. Read properly till July. After July, your timetable should move slowly towards, in the month of August and September, revision 1 should happen. Spend 2 months for the revision. In parallel, you're writing exams. Don't forget that. In parallel, you're writing the exam also. Right? You keep writing the exam, subject-wise exam, 2 subject-wise exam, 3 subjects exam. Right? In parallel. Sir, I'll make another video where I'll explain you about how to read even each subject. This is as it is generalized this session. I did not want to spend much time on the each and every point of the subject which you have to do. For ECE and electrical students, I'll make some other video. So where I'll tell you step by step process for that. Right? So August, September, first revision. October, second revision. November will be third revision. December will be fifth revision. 6th, 7th, 8th revisions will happen in the month of January. Because what happens, sir? Your preparation time will decrease once you start revising. With the first step, what I told you is 2 months for the revision. I have told you August and September, right? Second revision will be in the month of October. Third revision will be in the month of November. Sir, after third revision, frankly speaking, your revision time will decrease because you keep on revising the answers, right? You keep on revising the answers. Don't try to, after November or December, don't try to add new concepts to the subjects. No. So you focus on the weak areas before preparation itself. The time of August, September is very important for you to revise and strengthen yourself with the new concepts. Okay, do that. Okay, so in the month of January, complete revision should happen and write all the tests every day if possible. Every alternate day you write a mock test. So probably 15 mock tests is more than sufficient for you guys. If you write 15 mock tests, that itself is a great thing, right? So 1 week before the examination, I would suggest not even write two mock test also. If you are so much interested, write only one mock test or hardly two mock tests. Once you have done, so 1 week before, only the formula revision and everything should happen slowly, slowly, slowly. So then there comes the direct examination. This finishes the exam. This finishes now. After writing the gate examination, I'm sure if you follow all these steps very clearly, you are below 100. Surely you'll be below 100. Okay, these are the very important things to be done. And I wish you all the very best for all of you who are listening to me right now or even after that. So hope you will all come out with flying of colors in your life. So follow the master, face the devil, fight till the end, finish the game. Again, I'm repeating this 4 F's of life. So remember what I told you, 3 P's, 4 F's, 5 D's. These are all very important for you. So once you are done, definitely the success is yours. And from the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the very best for GATE 2022. Let's crack it. Okay. Yeah. I would request you to follow me on Unacademy. Follow me on Unacademy. If you have any doubts, please post the comments so that I can reply. So that I can reply for all of them. For all of them. Okay. And I would love you to register for plus subscription. So what you mean plus subscription is you can attend all the live classes. You can close the crash courses. You can attend all the crash courses. You can write the weekly test. I have told you this is a weekly test. Even in the preparation, I have told you this weekly test is very important. Test will become taste for you. You should definitely write the regular tests. Then only you'll understand where you are, what you are doing. So definitely weekly test is important, and you will be having something called doubt solving session every fourth hour. Every fourth hour is going to be a doubt solving session for you guys. Okay, every fourth hour is going to be a doubt solving session. You can interact with the faculty directly. You can clear your doubts very easily. So this is very important, and you can have the sessions like English and Hindi. You can attend the English classes and Hindi classes, and you have something called rank improvement batch. Somebody whose foundation is very good and he wants to improve their rank, they can attend this rank improvement batch. These are the benefits of plus subscription. And then we have something called iconic subscription. So what do you mean by iconic subscription is extra benefits of is going to be a personal coach you'll have. You'll be having study planner. You will be having study booster sessions, and then a personalized test analysis will be conducted, and a preparatory study material will be available for all you guys. Preparatory study material will also be available for all you guys. And the plus subscription for 12 months is going to be 27,225 rupees after applying the code SVS10. For 18 months, it is going to be 34,650 rupees after applying the code SVS10. For 24 months, it is going to be 39,600 rupees after applying the code SVS10. Okay. And for iconic subscription, for 12 months, it is 45,225 rupees after 10% discount of using SVS10. SVS10. Iconic subscription for 24 months, it's going to be 66,600 rupees after using this SVS10. Sir, this 10% is going to be decreased soon to 5%. So hurry up. Still time is with you. Still time is with you. So we will be decreasing from 10% to 5%. So I request you to register as early as possible. As early as possible. Okay. And all my class notes will be available on this Telegram channel called Unacademy GATE English. Unacademy GATE English. So please subscribe for the join Unacademy GATE English Telegram channel also, so that you can download all my class notes. Okay. And thank you. And subscribe to the channel where you are watching. That is Unacademy Gate English, the channel. We have other channels also. We have the channels like Creatrix and all other channels also we have. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Right? Thank you once again, and I wish you all the very best. In the next video, tomorrow's video, I'll be explaining you what is the importance of GATE examination. Is really GATE changes your life? Let us see in tomorrow's class. Right? Thank you. Good night. Bye.